In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall MetaTrader 5 on your PC. Maybe you've stopped using it, you're switching to another trading platform, or you just want to free up some space. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, you'll need to access the control panel on your computer. Go to the bottom of your screen and click on the search icon, or the search bar, depending on your version of Windows. In that search field, start typing control panel. As you type, Windows will show matching results. When you see Control Panel appear in the list, go ahead and click on it to open it. Once the Control Panel window is open, look for the section related to your installed programs. You'll want to find and click on Programs. This is where Windows groups tools related to installing, uninstalling, and managing software on your machine. Inside the Programs section, look for the option called Programs and Features. Go ahead and click on Programs and Features. This will bring up a list of all the applications currently installed on your PC. It may take a moment to load if you have a lot of software, so give it a second if the list doesn't appear right away. Now, in this list, scroll until you find MetaTrader 5. It might appear as MetaTrader 5, MT5, or something very similar, depending on how it was installed. Take your time and make sure you select the correct application, especially if you have other trading platforms installed. Once you've located the MetaTrader 5 entry, click on it once to highlight or select it. With the app selected, look toward the top of the list for the Uninstall option. It's usually located on a toolbar above the list of programs. Click on the Uninstall button. After you click Uninstall, Windows will start the removal process. A confirmation window may pop up asking if you're sure you want to uninstall MetaTrader 5. Confirm that you do. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen, such as closing running instances of the program. When the process finishes, MetaTrader 5 will be removed from your PC. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully uninstalled MetaTrader 5 using the control panel and programs and features.